Hi, today I'm going to do a very quick video for two specific group of people, and that is business owners and homeowners who are looking to source finance quickly for that stuff that can't wait, especially now that interest rate is high and rising and house prices are down in many regions across Australia. My name is Henry Ike, the founder of Ike.Finance. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting topic. The more you share this, the more we're able to create more content. And thank you for sharing it. As a business owner, could your business benefit from an unsecured finance of up to 100K to enable you purchase stock, do your marketing, or pay any worthwhile expenses? If that sounds like you, please do get in touch so that we can see how we can help you. The main important thing is we are here to help. As a homeowner, do you know that you could get a secured and or unsecured personal loan to do the following 5 things? Debt consolidation, to consider all your debts, credit card, all of those in one go. Renovate your home. To do that kitchen or the bathroom or the landscaping or the general touch-up that you've been wanting to do. Number 3, buy a new car or upgrade to an electric vehicle. Number 4, to travel or to pay medical expenses. We can help you with that. Then number 5, to install solar panel on your residential or commercial rooftop so that you can save on your energy bills. Now, if any of this is of interest to you, please do get in touch with us at Ike.Finance.com.au. Again, we are here to help. Thank you for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you again next week as we bring you more and more interesting topics. Thank you, and bye-bye.